said yesterday, we're going to talk about myths today. So there are two major myths I'm going to talk about. The first one is going to be the goldfish myth, and the second one is going to be the filter bubble myth. The goldfish myth, basically, I believe everyone has heard it. If you've not, I'm going to repeat it. The human attention span is 8 seconds when compared to 9 seconds of that of a goldfish. It was written by Microsoft in 2015. Microsoft was actually citing statistic brain, which is another report that when BBC went to actually do due diligence on it, they found like there was no source for that particular claim in the report, and also there was no study to actually back up that claim, yet it persists, which means like human beings are actually reaching for something with that saying. It's not necessarily that our attention span is broken, but it is selective in the sense like we binge watch series, right? We binge watch things that we actually love. We binge watch things that give us like the dopamine we're searching for. That's why we have like 1,000 spin-off of Walking Dead and some other series. The other one is the filter bubble. Filter bubble in the sense that according to researchers, they went in and then they did some studies. And what did they research? Like the diversity of political news. Political news is not what we're talking about here. We're talking about content and also celebrity bubbles of celebrity filters, so to speak, right? The content bubble, when you go into your, say, Instagram, you're scrolling. At some point, they ask you if you're interested in this particular thing. Once you click on interested, they start showing you things that are similar to that thing or things that come from that particular creator, right? Or you search for something on Google. The next thing you search for like a device or whatever on Google, next thing you're seeing the advert on your Instagram. The cross-platform information sharing creates a form of bubble. Or let's say a 1,000 people or 2,000 or 2 million people are following a particular celebrity. At some points, there is a form of hive mind when it comes to some celebrities. That's why you have like the Barbs, you have the Swifties, you have the Kinfolks. That's a bubble. So why do these like myths or lies keep persisting? I believe a saying goes towards like the lie already has a chance to go around the world before the truth wears its pants. Another saying goes in the sense of when a lie is repeated over and over again, it becomes real in our minds, right? So I ask again a question I asked on Monday. What exactly are we trading for is, and I think the trend is we're trading attention for comfort, and we're also trading our exploration of new ideas for convenience. It's easier for like algorithms to just share things to us than for us to go search for what exactly we like might like and things like that, right? The question I'll ask again is, if we created these tools, why does it seem like a battle? Stay jiggy.